We're ready to put the front on the Venta hood shaker style cabinet, and you can see that we have taken and put in some cleats up on the top inside so that when we put the crown molding around the outside of the Venta hood, it won't pooch the sidewalls in. And we're going to lift up and pocket join in place the front. To show you, we've got pocket join holes going up both sides, and we'll attach those up to the front, and then it all gets covered with shaker trim. So that's the beauty of it. Another thing to note is that you bring your side walls and front wall down just a little bit above the Venta hood bottom, because when you put in your trim, it's going to cover. You can bring your trim down as far as you want, and on the front here we're going to take and put a curved arch in that will come up to the bottom of this. And so that's part of the look. But let's get the front wall on now.
My way, your way. I have.
Very splattered.
And so you just start pocket joining. We do it from the top. That way we can adjust it in and out as we go.